morning, my little babies. It's Sunday. Um, I normally do self care on Sundays, so right now I'm just like editing my last video. Little sneaky peek. Period. Well, it's not even a sneak peek because by the time you guys see that video, this video will be uploading. So, I've been laying in the bed since like 8. The most that I've done is went to the bathroom and brushed my teeth and wash my face. I'm not even done editing this video. I'm probably not going to finish it until tonight. It takes me normally a really long time to actually edit videos. People don't know this, but it takes a minute to edit videos. It takes a really long time to perfect it, and right now like it's really giving what it was supposed to give. Like I'm not going to put out no half video. Like I'm not going to do that. I want to perfect it. Like, I want it to look really good. I'm not going to just put out anything just because, oh, I want to put out this video. I have to hurry up and I have to rush and I have to do this. No, I'm not doing that because then it looks like that. And then it's also not going to perform well. So, I'm definitely not finna just rush this video like this. But we just gonna vibe. We just gonna vibe. We just gonna vibe. I'll be back in a little bit. Let me go ahead. I'm going to make up my bed. I'm going to speed this whole process up of making my bed. So I will see you guys in a minute. Hello, peoples. Hi. Okay, so I'm in the city right now, and we are walking around, and well, we're not walking around, but
I'm hungover.
oh, okay, okay. And we finna go get some burritos and tacos right now, and well, right now we going to the bank because people needs to pull money, because apparently, where we was at, they ain't take no sort of credit card, so. Yeah.
Give me like 5 seconds.
So, we're back at the taco joint right now. I don't have my camera to flip the screen, but, well, I do have my camera, but it's really in my bag right now, and I just don't feel like doing all that. So, this is what y'all getting. Not gonna be straight munching on the tacos. What you mean? These tacos be hitting too. So yeah, but let me pay attention.
The next day.
Wake up.
The baby's so cute. The baby's so cute. He's so cute.
Yeah, I got the.
So cute. Aww. I am not the best basketball player. Please do not come for me, niggas. Please do not come for me. Please don't go around.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29.
Damn, my calves.
Your calf.
Yeah. I'm short, so I'm like this the whole time. They just was kicking my ass in this damn basketball game. It's probably why I was not the basketball player, but you could catch me on the sidelines cheering. Who gonna win? Who gonna win? I just wanna look into your eye. Who's this one? That one's so. This one yours? This yours, right? You know. I was gonna say this does. I ain't gonna lie. I might. Well. Let me grab all my stuff. Oh my gosh, yeah. I do not have no lip gloss, but we just got to the beach, y'all. We finna bonfire it up. It's not the.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's hella windy. It's hella windy right now. But we... Hey y'all, so as soon as we got to the beach, I'm not gonna lie, I took a little moment to just sit and self-reflect and, you know, just think about everything that's going on just internally with me. And I feel like genuinely we should all just have a moment to just come back and be balanced. That's probably one of the main reasons why I love going to the beach, because it gives me time to sit and just be in my mind and then like figure out stuff. And that was pretty much what this moment was. And of course I went back to the shenanigans, but I'm gonna see y'all back at the house. I'm gonna be most likely doing laundry. See my robe, right? If y'all look in the last previous episodes, period, y'all, this was discolored. It was discolored. Like, it got messed up in the washing machine, and it turned blue because my grandma, I think she mixed it with some of my jeans, and so like the jeans color like rubbed off on this, and it messed it up, right? So now it's back to its original color. It don't even look like it. Like, I'm looking at it. It don't even like. Guys, I'm so juiced. It don't look like it. Like, it's not back to its color, but it's back to its color. Like, I can tell. Like, and I can tell. Cause when it's back to, yeah, guys. Oh, I am so juiced. Yes. Cause I almost cried. I was crying. I was so sad because it was messed up. Clean this room and edit this other video so that y'all can have something to watch today. So new self-care videos coming out very soon, which I just haven't been able to do them. But it's okay though, because maybe I'm tripping, maybe I'm not. Hopefully I'm not. Cause if I am, I'm gonna cry. Cause it looks like it's back to its color. But then when I look at it now, it don't even look like that. So I don't know, but I might just have to chuck it up, and I might just have to buy a new one. Really, like, that's really just what it is. Like, instead of me trying to like, but I made me like a cute little Jane Doe or Jean Doe box. So a merchandise coming soon. Make sure y'all watch out for when I drop and I launch my dropship business, period. So yeah, but let me get back to cleaning this room because I really just feel like I ain't made no sort of progress, even though I have a little bit. So let me just stop.
Tryna squeeze into my true religion, celebrate, don't wanna say you like I don't buy it with the cellulite. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then a Gemini. I keep it juicy. Oh, where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine.
Okay, so y'all totally forgot to close this video out. Don't beat me up. But make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys later. Peace out.